this, guys, is the NPET K11 wireless gaming keyboard. Even though it says gaming keyboard, guys, I am not using it to play video games. I'm just using it normally here to work on boring stuff and answering emails. And I think I am all about lights, as you guys can see. How awesome is this product? Wireless, so you don't have that wire in the middle of everything. It just comes with a small USB device, very, very small. You put it on any of the USB outlets of your computer and it's connected. It has an on and off here in the back. It is rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about the batteries. It comes with a USB connection. And if you don't need to be using the colors all the time, because it comes with a button here, so you can change the tones or you can turn it off. We use it with the colors on, and I like it because it's easier for me to find the keys. And I also like that it comes with these small supports here in the back that makes it ergonomic, because it's going to make this back part higher like this, so you don't have to be like this on top of the keyboard. You can be more straight, so I like that as well. And the keys are super comfortable. I have it connected to one of my PCs here, a different computer than the one that I'm using for this, and I am loving it. My boyfriend and I, we're in love with this keyboard. So super, super recommended, guys. Reliable and super awesome. Colorful, you can choose the color of your preference. This is a NPET K11 wireless gaming keyboard.